Make your body work for you. I don't mean go down to your busiest street corner and show what your mama gave you. I'm talking about creating an internal environment inside of your body that naturally fights against sickness and disease without chemicals. I'm talking about building up your natural defenses and immunity so your body can work for you. Your body innately wants to heal and keep you healthy, so we must do our end of the bargain and give our body the raw materials it needs to do that. If the body says, give me a banana, and you drink a soda, you're fighting against your own body and opening up those vulnerabilities that sickness and disease is just waiting to move in on, quickly to exploit. Sickness is never far away, no matter how healthy and strong you feel. It's just waiting, sitting there in its own little corner, ready to move in and strike quickly when it recognizes our internal environment has a security hole in it. Our health is something we do not own. We own our decisions that affect our health in either direction, but our health itself we do not own. Our health is like the rent, and the rent is due on a daily basis. The payment is our lifestyle. So I'm going to go over, in my observations, the things that you can do on a daily basis to create that internal environment that health thrives on in keeping sickness and disease contained in its own teeny tiny little corner. If you're excited about this topic matter, please click the like button, ravage that button. Just keep tickling it until it turns blue. Subscribe, hit the bell. That way you'll be notified when I make new videos. And this also helps me out a lot with the algorithms here so that I can keep making these videos for free for you. Now let's get started on paying the daily rent so our body works for us. Stress, laughter, nutrition, good deep sleep, love, exercise, passive and residual income. Not stressing is severely underrated. I have a friend who received a cancer diagnosis, and the first thing she did was divorce her husband because he was the source of all of her stress. Right after, she corrected the rest of her lifestyle choices and found some deep natural therapies to rid her body of the cancer, and it worked. She is cancer-free by means of building up her own immune system to overpower her former cancer. So stress and how you think is the number one most important variable toward living a natural, healthy life and giving your body what it needs to innately heal and work for you. In a minute here, I'm going to circle back around to how our income is a huge source of stress and what to do about that after I talk the other important variables that go into tapping into our mind and body's natural fountain of youth. So disclaimer time here. Nothing I share here is to undermine any healthcare professional you might be working with. I'm giving you general information. You do your own research, take your own personal responsibility, and do what is right for you. Laughter. Getting a good gut-busting laugh out at least once per day releases healing chemicals from the brain, and it's fun. Who doesn't love a genuine hearty laugh? I have an uncle who says, if I don't laugh really hard at least once every day, then the day has been wasted. I love that. Nutrition, food, what you put into your mouth fuels every part of your body. However, if you're stressed out, then stress can overpower your diet no matter how squeaky clean you are eating. So keep in mind, a nourishing diet is only as good as your thoughts. The food you put in your mouth is the raw materials that your body uses to fight and prevent disease, to give you healthy, vibrant hair, skin, nails, healthy blood, energy, sustainable energy, better sleep, better workouts, better recovery from those workouts. Everything relates to everything. The wrong food can also take these things away from you and make aging much more painful than it has to be. Give your body the raw materials it needs every day to look and feel more youthful as you get older with each passing journey around the sun. Get sound sleep every night. Sound sleep releases growth hormone and heals the whole body so you can wake up each morning feeling rejuvenated and energized for your day. If you're exercising regularly, it's going to help you get sound sleep. So remember when I said everything relates to everything? It's hard to get a good sound sleep if you're not physically active and eating nourishing food. Give and receive love on a daily basis. Have at least one or two genuine people in your life who make you feel good and who you also make feel good. Giving and receiving love, meditation, laughter, de-stressing, all of those things release chemicals from the brain that are healing to the whole body and help you look and feel more youthful as you get older. Don't underestimate the power of love. Giving and receiving love it helps make the body work for you. Exercise. Exercise is something people think about as perhaps the first line of defense against getting sick. That and eating healthy food are typically about the only two items people give any weight to. Exercise is important, and so is food, but you can negate all of your squeaky clean diet and all of your hard workouts if you neglect these other variables. Now I'm going to come back around to stress and a source of it that is egregiously overlooked and underestimated. I found through personal experience, when you don't have to worry about bills because you've got residual money, it makes all the difference in the world in your ability to easily put stress to rest. Most people don't have any residual money. They're trying to pay residual bills with ordinary earned income from their job. You cannot get ahead of that curve. If you have residual money, all your stress about money is gone. Not just bills, but funding the next vacation, paying for the better organic food, the better whatever you want, the security and safety of protecting you and your family from the next bad economy, pandemic, or if something were to happen to your job at no fault of your own, would you be okay? Would you? Do you depend on some company to take care of you? Very few people are aware of residual money, and even fewer are actively creating it. Most self-employed people don't have any residual income either, so they are typically even more stressed out about that than people with a job. They also pay higher tax rates than people with a job. Residual income is the thing that protects you and your family. Residual income gives you a life of freedom and creates an environment easy to rid yourself from stress. Residual income is income that once it reaches a certain point, it will keep paying you with or without your personal involvement. Now you've decoupled how you spend your time from your income, which means you can now spend your time however you would like, and it will not matter if it pays you or not. This is freedom, and this is why residual income is important to reduce or eliminate stress. Without it, your time is coupled to your income, which makes you vulnerable. It makes you controlled, and the proverbial hamster treading his wheel, never getting ahead. Residual money is the key ingredient most people, including entrepreneurs, are missing. Everything is interrelatable with everything else. The food, the money, the physical activity, how you think, all of it. If you want to come with me, I've been doing this since the year 2007. I typed up a beautiful blog about it. I've got a video about it. If you want the blog or video or both, just comment below or private message me and I will send it right on off to you. If you want to come with me on this natural health journey of these anti-aging concepts where you're looking and feeling younger as you get older, then I invite you to come with me. Just ask me for the info. It's a good thing when people guess you're decades younger than you really are. No joke. You want people to think you're decades younger than you really are? Yeah, let's go. Let's do this. Want to feel more youthful as you get older? Move better, function better, have more lasting energy for going after your own dreams and ambitions? I hope you really, really enjoyed this video. If so, you can help me with the algorithms just by liking, subscribing, hitting the bell. I'd also love to read the comments. If there's something you already do that helps you feel and look more youthful, and having your body work for you, I promise I have another video coming very soon.